Your parking is great. So we didn't do the forward parking because that truck's in the way over here, but I know you can do it, so that's no problem. So it's just two minor. Oh, the other one was when you did your 3-point turn, you failed to look around. You didn't make it obvious.
I thought, I didn't make it too obvious?
Yeah, you didn't make it obvious enough to me.
Oh, okay.
So what you do...
I thought I was looking.
And so I saw you turn your head like this when you're before backing up. But make it more obvious. Lean into it.
So like that, okay.
Shoulders.
Okay. Yeah, because I went like that, I guess.
Okay, you might have. Maybe I missed it. And don't be surprised if they say that you made a mistake and you think that they're off their rocker and don't say anything, don't argue with them, just let them.
I'd just be like, okay.
Yeah. Just like anyway, it just wasn't like wasn't obvious enough to me.
Yeah. I'll make it more obvious.
Yeah, just make it more obvious. Yeah. Same with the right blind spot check. So really, I mean, that's just two minor errors.
Yeah.
That's like a 96. I start you off at 100 points, and I take away points.
Right.
They start at 0. So that would have been like you only made, you got like 4 points.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's awesome.
So
man.
how many can you get before you fail?
So 15 minor mistakes. So, I mean, you only made 2.
Okay.
You only made 2. You could have made 13 more mistakes, but it doesn't look to me like you're going to have any issues at all whatsoever. So that's very good, man. Congrats.
I'll just practice that more.
Yep.